In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete your Outlook account quickly and safely. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Outlook website. Click the Sign In button at the top right and enter your email and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, complete the password recovery steps first. Once logged in, click your profile icon at the top right and select My Profile. Scroll down to find the Close Account option. Before proceeding, remember that closing your account will delete all emails, calendar entries, and data tied to this account. If your Microsoft account is linked to services like OneDrive, Xbox, or Skype, you may lose access to those as well. If you're ready, click Close Account and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. The deletion process may take a few days to complete, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Outlook account.